Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to be talking about how to make money online using this simple social media platform where you can perform simple social media tasks and earn money for yourself. So I post videos around I post make money online videos like this. If you like all these kind of videos, you should just go ahead and click the subscribe button so that whenever I post a video like this, you'll be notified by YouTube. So this platform is called freebreeze.com. Just I'll be putting the link in the description below. So when you get to that link, you are going to be taken to this page. Then you are going to sign up and you'll be taken to this page. Now this is a platform whereby you complete simple jobs and get paid. This is a platform where you complete simple jobs and get paid. So, complete simple jobs and get paid. And as you can see here, you say complete subscribe to your YouTube channel and you'll be paid 10 naira. Join Pulse airdrop with the link and be paid 120 naira. Join Pixel airdrop with my link and be paid 120 naira. And there you'll be earning more money. And you can also invite people to this platform. And as you can see here, they say invite people and you will earn 50% of your commission. Now before you start to earn on this platform, you have to verify your account. And how do you verify your account? They'll be giving you they'll be giving you an account here. They'll be giving you a bank account whereby you have to send money to verify your account to your funding account. Good. So to verify your account, you have to pay a sum of 150 naira, 1050 naira, I mean, to fund the account, which is written right here. On the account, you have to pay a sum of 1050 naira. So as you can see, this is a platform whereby you can perform simple social media tasks and earn money for yourself every single day. So I hope this video was helpful. If the video have been helpful, just click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that, and if you have any other question, you can just comment it in the comment below and I'm going to answer a question one by one. Thank you.